In the manufacturing industry, collet is a term used to describe a type of tool holder that is used to securely hold a cutting tool or drill bit in place during machining operations. Collets are typically made of high-quality materials such as steel, brass, or aluminum, and are designed to provide a precise and reliable grip on the tool, ensuring that it remains in place during high-speed machining operations. Collets are an essential component of many different types of manufacturing processes, including CNC machining, milling, drilling, and turning. They are used to hold a wide range of cutting tools, including end mills, drills, reamers, and taps, and are available in a variety of sizes and configurations to suit different types of tools and machines. One of the key benefits of using collets in manufacturing is that they provide a high degree of accuracy and repeatability, which is essential for producing high-quality parts and components. Collets are also designed to be easy to use and maintain, which helps to reduce downtime and increase productivity in the manufacturing process. At Berkness Company, we are a leading provider of high-quality manufacturing solutions, including collets and other tool holders. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians can help you select the right collet for your specific application, and can provide expert advice and support to ensure that you get the best possible results from your machining operations. If you are interested in learning more about collets and how they can benefit your manufacturing process, we encourage you to visit our Contact Us page to get in touch with our team. We are always happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information and support you need to succeed in your manufacturing operations. FAQs. 1. What is a collet and how is it used in manufacturing? A collet is a type of chuck that is used to hold a workpiece or tool in place during machining operations. It is typically made of metal and consists of a tapered sleeve with a series of slots or fingers that grip the workpiece or tool. Collets are commonly used in lathes, milling machines, and other machining equipment to securely hold the workpiece or tool in place while it is being machined. 2. What are the different types of collets available for use in manufacturing? There are several different types of collets available for use in manufacturing, including spring collets, dead-length collets, and pull-back collets. Spring collets are the most common type and are designed to grip the workpiece or tool with a spring-like action. Dead-length collets are used when precise length control is required, while pull-back collets are used when the workpiece or tool needs to be pulled back into the collet for additional support. 3. How do you choose the right collet for a specific manufacturing application? Choosing the right collet for a specific manufacturing application depends on several factors, including the size and shape of the workpiece or tool, the type of machining operation being performed, and the level of precision required. It is important to select a collet that is compatible with the machine being used and that is capable of securely holding the workpiece or tool in place during machining. Additionally, it is important to consider factors such as collet accuracy, repeatability, and ease of use when selecting a collet for a specific application. For more information, Contact Berkness Company today.